I'm Guy Cohen from the OVI Traders Club. Today is the 31st of July 2013. Yesterday I recorded a short video where I went through our basic trading plan. The first step of my trading plan is a specific chart pattern. It's called a flag pattern or a consolidation. Now these can either be going up or they can be going down. Yesterday we talked about them going up and we'll continue with that today. That's the first step. We need the second step that we require is for my OVI indicator, which records options transaction data, to be bullish with that. So if we have a bull flag pattern, which we want to be going up with the stock price, then we need a positive OVI for some time. What that tells us is there's an accumulation and position building in that stock with the options. The third step we require is for the volume to be constructive as well. So we want buying volume if we're looking at a stock that's going upwards as well. The fourth step, once those first three have been satisfied, the fourth step is we require a breakout to new highs, again, if we're talking about a bullish pattern. Now, yesterday we talked about a few stocks. Let's just go through the ones we talked about yesterday and add a couple more to what you should be looking at today. We talked about Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley, two financial stocks. Now, they were off yesterday and their bull patterns were almost invalidated. However, they're back up quite strongly today already, so they're kind of in play, but not anywhere near yet their breakout points. So just keep an eye on those and just see what happens next. But they could be off the chart for now, and we'll be looking at fresher, newer, better opportunities very soon. One other one I talked about was FNV, that's Franco-Nevada. That was at, we were looking for a breakout there at 45.30. That's off today, and that's probably now a no trade situation. So with those first three, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and Franco-Nevada, they're probably in the camp of being no trade. So we didn't make a trade on those ones because they never broke out to new highs, and now their patterns are kind of invalidated, which means you didn't lose any money on them. You can place a stop order above that breakout point, but if it doesn't reach that breakout point, then you don't lose any money because the trade was never made. That's part of the safety mechanism of my particular trading plan. Now let's move on to Silver Standard. That's ticker code SSRI, Silver Standard. That's still hovering. It's not near the breakout point, which is above 8.33 yet, but it's still hovering. It's still a legitimate pattern for now, but it needs to get a move on if we're going to make some hay with that one. Now, here's one that did go, and that is United Tech. UTX is the ticker symbol, yes, for that. Now, we looked at a breakout above 105.66, maybe above 105.7 or 105.85. That would be, we want it to be a bit above where the recent highs have been. That is up almost 1% as we speak right now, so that's looking pretty tasty as we speak. Two more I want to talk about. We were in a trade from mid-May, Juniper Networks, JNPR is the ticker code on that one. We were in, and since we were in mid-May, that stock is now up 23%, and it's forming another bull flag pattern right now with a constructive, positive OVI right now, and with good volume as well. So we're looking for another breakout. It's slightly off today as we speak, but Juniper has been very good to us, and it's looking like it could go some more as well. One last one I'm going to mention is MTG. That is MTG, there's the ticker code, and that's more like a penny stock. That's kind of at 769 at the moment, but forming a good bull flag, forming a constructive OVI pattern, forming constructive volume, and now we look for a breakout. The breakout point is 769, so you'd actually look for a breakout of, say, above, say, 7.82, that's slightly above that recent high. So those are the ones to look at, but remember, with our trading plan, if there is no breakout, you can't lose any money because your order will not be triggered, and that's part of the safety mechanism of our particular way of trading. So that's me. It's the 31st of July. I'm at the CME Group. Thanks for watching.